I'm making broccoli stir fried, and it's very tasty, and it costs less than $2 to make. Give this a try. Here I put some salt to soak the broccoli heads. That way, in case there's any bugs we don't see, so it can kill the germs and all that. This is a good step. So I'm just cutting the broccoli. I usually don't cut on the head. I'm just cutting the stem, what you call it, the stalk. That way we don't cut the top and it's gonna fall apart. I got this from Walmart. After forced retirement at 57, yeah, I was laid off at 57, and my job went to India, and I stopped looking for work. And I enjoyed going to Walmart and shop for my groceries. This is where I got it from, and it's less than $2. Just cutting up some garlic for the stir fry. And in a small bowl, I'm adding sesame seeds oil, any kind. I think this kind is a little bit low cost. There are many kinds, yeah. You can find it in Walmart or Asian market. This is the oyster sauce. If you're vegetarian, you may want to use soy sauce instead. And this is the cornstarch. I'm just putting in a teaspoonful and add some water and stir. And if you're not comfortable with this, you can leave the cornstarch and just mix the soy sauce and oyster sauce. Yeah, I boil some water and let it steam for 1 or 2 minutes. That way it's faster to cook. This cooking, we prepare everything ahead of time, like the sauce, the garlic, the broccoli. So that way when we cook, we just go straight to stir fry. So onto the garlic and then the broccoli. Since I already steamed the broccoli, I don't need to cook that long, so I would say 1 or 2 minutes. And here comes the sauce, and this time I didn't put enough water in the sauce because of the cornstarch, so I'm adding some more water in there. Cook it for 1 or 2 minutes, 1 to 2 minutes, yeah. And it's all ready now. It's a good side dish. I always eat it with pork chop, chicken on the side. It goes with almost everything.